Hi everyone, welcome to this presentation.
Hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
Hello, welcome to this presentation.
And welcome to this recorded presentation for the Lane 2020 conference on photonic technologies.
I'm Zoe Jardon, PhD student at de Vrije Universiteit Brussel.
My name is Khalid Arun.
My name is Dieter de Baar.
And I'm very glad to present my work today at the Lane 2020 conference.
Myself, I am a postdoc researcher at Vub University in Brussels, Belgium.
This research has been done at the Free University Brussels in Belgium, specifically at the Acoustic and Vibration Research Group
in the Mechanical Engineering Department.
The topic of this presentation is within the domain of monitoring and control of a laser-based additive manufacturing process.
Today I'm happy to present to you some of our ongoing research related to laser-based additive manufacturing of metallic components.
My presentation is entitled Offline Powder Gas Nozzle Jet Characterization for Coaxial Laser-Based Directed Energy Deposition.
The title of this presentation is the comparison of visual and hyperspectral monitoring of the melt pool during laser metal deposition.
Today I will present you my paper entitled Spatial Distributed Spectroscopic Monitoring of the Melt Pool and the Vapor Plume during the laser metal deposition process.